Okay, we are going to multiply and simplify this times that. So here we have the parentheses. We'll just take this and then multiply it into the parentheses, right? The usual distributive property. So let's see what we have. For the first one, we are going to multiply the square root of 6x times the square root of 24x to the third power. So we look at this inside times that inside, and let's work this out. 6 times 24, that's 144. And then this is x to the first power times x to the third power. When we multiply, we add the exponents, so we have x to the fourth power. And remember, we still have the square root, okay? And then we look at this times that. We know there's a minus, let me put it down. And then there's no number in front of the square root here, but we multiply this 2, so we have the 2. And let's see, we are looking at this as 6x times the 5. Inside of the square root, let me open the square root first. 6x times 5, that's 30x. And that's what we have at the moment. And is there anything else that we can do? For this one, yeah, because square root of 144, that's exactly 12. That's excellent, that's exactly 12. How about x to the fourth power inside of the square root? What should we do? This is going to give us x to the second power. And the reason why this is the second power, it's because we have to do 4 divided by the square root, which means that the index is 2. So let's divide it by 2 right here. And 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 2 is 4, and we subtract 0. So because of this 2, because it's this 2, that's why we have x to the second power. And then because the remainder was 0, that means we have no more x inside of the square root. Okay? Alright, and we have the minus. The 2 is just a 2. But can we break down square root of 20, square root of 30? Well, we know 5 times 6 is 30, but then none of them is a perfect square. 3 times 10 is 30, but none of them is a perfect square. 2 times 5 is 30, but then they don't work neither. We'll just leave it as how it is. Square root of 30. And how about for the x? This is x to the first power, but then I don't have enough power to get out of the square root, so this is just x to the first power. Because this is a 1, and then right here is a 2. 1 goes into 2 0 times. That's what I mean by it cannot go out, because it does not have enough power. Anyways, this is the answer. That's it.